How to pay with Capitec virtual card. Now, I won't be able to show you this method using my mobile phone because I don't have a Capitec account yet. Because as of the moment, this is not yet supported or this is not yet operational in our country. But uh, there's no need for you to worry. I can walk you through and how to do this. So you just go ahead and pull up your Capitec application, and then once you logged into your account, below there are options that you can see. All you need to tap on cards. Now on the next page, you'll be able to see your card. And then above your card, there are two options there. It says card and then virtual. So since we're trying to make a payment using virtual method, you need to press add a virtual card. Now, the next page is for you to set your cash withdrawals, um, card machine purchases, online scan to pay, and then card machine. And then once you set your limits, you can go ahead to the next page, which is only the agreement. You'll just have to check both of those boxes and click accept. Now, once everything is set up, you can use your Capitec mobile device to pay on any store. It's gonna be depending on the store on what method they will provide you. It's either via the QR code or using the card machine. So if you are using a card machine, you just have to tap your mobile device to the card machine. You need to press and hold on the virtual card that you have on your phone, and it will vibrate, meaning the payment was successful. So that is how to pay with Capitec virtual card.